Stephen Sobuga or RDC yahabwa Rukungiri district kandi okurira omukoro gwo kwasayo ebyombeko ebi ayihanangiriza abari kubikoresa okureba ngo babirinda kurungi byaguma biri nkoko babibakwasa.
But my question once again is maintaining that percent. Can it look the way it is for the next 100 years? Okay?
RDC Sobuga ayongire yagira ngo hati abashaho takiroho rwe kwaso yona nahabwe ekyo bahereza obuhereza abantu nko ky'kushemereza.
So what do I expect? I expect quality service. I expect quality service. Let us serve our people. The mayor has complained that you come here and find two people.
You are getting a lot of money, but when you look in your register book, you are always absent. And this has been reporting to me, and at times I come here. You find only two people. You find only three people. You can imagine.
Sobuga nashaba abakazi kureba ngo bazarro mu irwariro eri ahabo ko bahatinira mu marwariro agino obuhereza burungi.
For us now, our job is to create value for that construction, and the way we're going to create value for that construction is by saving lives in it. We really can't put a price like on human life, I can say. But one thing we know is once we're given a go ahead, we should really start using that theater.
Diogen Kamjisha kurgo mu UPDF Engineering Brigade ahamiza abebembezi uko murumo gubakozere guru murungi kandi ngo bagumariro mbwire nko kubaragine
onkampirwe myezi mukaga yo gukora mukagomada indeed ngumarire mu myezi mukaga ejo mwagure banimwe murungi munonga.
But most of the times when the worker finishes the work, then they are give me a period of around from 6 months to 1 year, trying to observe if there's any defect. Then the contractor can come in again and try that.
Gasha kwa Dan basibye.